Hello, my friends. Ivan Oberon here, your favorite mortgage consultant with Prosperity Home Mortgage. I'm here for the third and final part in our home buyer's basic or home buyer's guide to getting a new mortgage. And it's the most exciting part because you're about to find out. And in part one, I covered what to do first, really who to talk to, how to prepare for your mortgage. So go check that out. I covered how to work with your real estate professional. I covered everything about the initial loan application and some case studies and different things. In part two, I covered home inspection services and what to look for, home appraisals and the appraisal process. And in this part, we're going to go over a couple of the most exciting pieces, and one of them, maybe the most important piece, is title insurance. So let me tell you a little bit of a story about title insurance. And some people think that you may or may not need it, but there's a couple of different types of title insurance. There's going to be a lender's title insurance policy if you're using a lender, which most people do. There's going to be an owner's title insurance policy, which some people think is optional, some people don't. So let me tell you a story about why you should always get owner's title insurance. No matter when you sell your property, even though you're getting the property transferred over to you with clean title, when you go to sell the property, there's going to be a new title search ran, and they're going to make sure that there's no liens on there. What I've had happen to me in the past, especially on my investment side of things, where I've gotten to see a lot of different properties, is some of those properties that I bought and closed on with clear title, now all of a sudden have a cloud on title that I have to clear. And did I stress out? No. Why? Because I bought title insurance. So it delayed my closing a little bit, but we just had the title insurance company take care of it. They wiped out that cloud that came back on title, and we were able to consummate the transaction without any problems and any money out of our pocket. So you always want to make sure that you close with title insurance and insure against any of those losses from defects or anything like that that would pop up on title. Now, the next and almost final step, essentially the most exciting part, right? Since you've been stressed this whole time, whether or not it's going to happen, is close on the property. So the closing agent coordinates and disperses all the paperwork and the funds, and ownership is finally transferred. And after the funds are transferred, of course, then there's a recording, and now you are the new proud owner of your next home or investment property, and we all get to celebrate. So that's the exciting part of finally getting to that piece. And there's a couple of things to remember. When you go into the home buying process, one of the things I haven't mentioned is stop doing everything else. Don't make any other major purchases. I mean, this also includes like major appliances and different things that you might need for your home. Just wait until the loan closes. Because oftentimes what happens at the end is they'll do another little scrub of your credit and check that stuff to make sure that there isn't anything that's popped up. Don't buy any cars. Don't start another mortgage. Don't make any large deposits or withdrawals from your bank accounts. These are all little things that we can talk about as you go into the loan process. And also make sure that you're participating with somebody that can lead you through a rapid close process. So one of those cool things that we can do these days is we can have you sign up to where you do all the closing paperwork that doesn't require a notary ahead of time in the comfort of your own home at your own leisure. And then when you go to the actual closing with a notary, you have much less documents to sign, and it goes much more quickly in that whole process. So anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this 3-part series on the home buyer's basics or home buyer's guide to buying a new home and obtaining a new mortgage. If you found value out of this, make sure to like it, share it, comment, ask me any questions. And of course, if you need a pre-approval to go out there and start searching for mortgages and work with a reliable realtor, one, of course, I can introduce you to 1 or 2 in your area, but I can provide you with that solid pre-approval so that agents are more eager to work with you and that your offers get looked at more seriously. My information is down below. And just remember, I'm on a mission to help at least 70 people in the next 6 months achieve their dream of their next home, or even to lower their payments through a refinance with these historically low rates. So please reach out. Talk to you soon. Take care.